Hello guys, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Paul Ologo. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your pictures into videos. Maybe you went for a trip with your friends and you thought the pictures are so good, maybe you want to make them into a video. So I'm going to show you how to use Filmora X to make those pictures in a video, just like the video you are seeing in my screen. Now let's begin. Now, after opening Filmora and importing the pictures, the next thing you want to do is to create or bring the pictures on the timeline. But before that, I'm going to go here in the split screen. I'm going to use, let me use this one here. So I'll place it there, then I'll just open it like that. Then I'll click here on the first one, then maybe drag my picture here, maybe this one here like so, and maybe also drag another one that we are playing here. If I want to readjust it, I'll just do like this and play with that. Then the next aspect, maybe I look for another picture where we are jumping, and maybe if I want to adjust it, I'll just do like that. Then the next thing I'm going to add I'm going to add something like already added a track. So I'll come here and I'll click out and just say okay. Then I'll come to titles, then I'll look for the appropriate titles that I can give this one. Maybe I come to openers here and maybe choose this one here. If I play it, that will be, so I'll drag it on top here like so. Then after dragging on top here, maybe I'll double click here, then try to edit it. Maybe write travel with us. Maybe I change this to yellow so that it becomes visible. Also this one here, maybe I write freedom like so. Then I'll just delete this one. I'll just wrap this so that it's not visible here. Then I'll just remain freedom. Maybe also change this one into yellow so that it becomes visible, and maybe increase the size maybe to 90. 90 is so big, maybe increase to 40. Yeah, so I'll also pull it up here a little bit so that maybe the color is, so maybe I use this, yeah, freedom. So if I play like that, then after that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the pictures. So I'll drag the pictures, all of them here. So then I'll come again to media here, then I'll start dragging the pictures. Maybe I start with this picture, maybe I go to this picture. So maybe I use this pictures. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to this picture here. I'm going to this picture here, then I'll double click it, then I'll come here and zoom, crop, then to bring this element, then I'll come to zoom, then I'll just click this one here, then I'll say okay, then if I play, it will be like that. Now I'll do that for all the pictures. Come here, I'll come here, then zoom, I'll come here, then zoom, then I'll double click this, okay. The next picture, I'll also click this one here, click this one here, zoom. Now I'll just do that and press OK. Now after that, I'll play so that I'm able to see how they look. Yeah, now you see it's like they're zooming out and zooming in like so. But now you realize there's a gap here that needs to be filled. There's a gap here that needs to be filled. Is this black aspect here. So what am I going to do? I'll just press OK here. I'll come to effects here, then I'll come to filters here, or then I'll choose this basic blur. Now if I come here, I'll just drag this basic blur here so that it covers up. You see, it covers up. So I'll do this for all the pictures that have that problem. So I'll just copy this one here, then maybe lock this place so that it doesn't affect. So I'll scroll this picture, also have it, I'll paste it also here again, like so, like so. Also this one has, I'll paste here, also paste. So I'll do that for all the pictures that have that problem. Now after filling all these gaps here, I think now you can see when I play, all the gaps are filled, so that it looks more professional. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add transitions. So I'll just unlock this place here, and then I'll come here to transition, and I'm going to use this one called wormhole. So I'm going to start inserting those transitions here to make the video more dramatic. I'll insert also here, drag and insert. I'll do that at the end. Now I've added all the transition in all the video joints. So if I play like so, you see it is changing. I play again this one, you can see that, you can see that, like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add more elements so that the video looks more good. So I'll come to elements here, and I'm going to use this one here, maybe let's go. So I'm just going to drag it here so that it looks more interesting, the video becomes more interesting. So if I play, this is the element, I play, let's go. So it makes it look more fun. Maybe I also add another one here, maybe summertime. Maybe I just add it here so that it looks more awesome, like so. See, maybe I add it, then I place it maybe somewhere in a corner here, so that maybe I can even add somewhere, maybe in the middle of the video, maybe say maybe I add it this picture here, so and maybe adjust it so that it doesn't interfere with that. So if I play like so, yeah, so that's how to add that aspect. Then the last thing I'm going to do, no, the second last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add some audio to make it more pleasing. I'll come to audio here, then I'll just come to maybe choose this one here, maybe I'll just drag it at the bottom here. Now if I play it, maybe let me play it. I think I'll use this one here. Now after that, I'll just come here, maybe cut where the audio is. But before that, I want us to make a word at the last, maybe. So I'm going to make an outro. So the thing we're going to do, we're going to come here under media. Then I'm going to use a green screen, and I'm going to use this one. I just drag it here like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a title, and I'm going to use my custom text. So there's a video I'll make how to create a custom text. So I'll just come here, maybe I'll just write travel, join us next time. Yeah, then I'll just position it at the middle here, like so. Then I'll come here, cut this audio here, click select this, cut it from here, then I'll just delete. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to play what you have made from the start to the end, so that you see what you have made. So let me just play. So guys, that's how to make a slide from your pictures into a video that you can use to send to your friends, or you can even upload on your social media channels, whatever, how to use it. Now guys, subscribe so that I continue teaching you more tips about how to use Filmora X. Also go to the description section, there are many videos I've done there that help you get started to start doing video editing. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Peace.